exploring the dark caves of Zimbabwe. Amazing. What an amazing place. Unbelievable. Really cool. And then up the top there. Good morning internet, it is 7:10 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. That was my original seat, but it has been taken by my little friend over there, so I just moved over here. I am having my breakfast now. Today I made some porridge and I will show you on the map. I'm having a big day today. I will be doing a lot of riding. It's going to be 480 kilometers today. And the first half will be unpaved, I'm pretty sure. And after that I'll follow the main road. So I'm here in Bulawayo. And I will first ride this way. So this, I think it will be unpaved, or at least it's a smaller road, towards Kwekwe. And then from Kwekwe I'm going to ride straight up here to Chinyoyi. So let's see what the day will bring. But first finish this and then quickly start packing. Before they were my friends, and with Savannah it's full attack mode. It's just me. It was so nice to meet you. Sorry? Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. I had a really nice time here.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye. Hello. Thank you.
Your license, ma'am.
License?
Yes, please. Ah, okay, it's okay.
This is another toll gate. I don't think I'll have to pay here either, but let's see. Hi! Thanks! See, bikes don't pay. That's nice. And I'm stuck behind another truck. Oh, there's so many trucks on this road. I think it's because it's the main highway to Harare, which is the capital of Zimbabwe. See, Harare is over here. And I'm riding on the main road to there. So it's busy and there's trucks. But I'll be getting off the main road in a little bit, in 49 k's. And then that road should be better, hopefully. Alright, I checked in and I dropped my stuff which is a bit better. Then when I'm in the cave, I don't have to worry about my life's possessions stuck outside on Savannah. Alright. Let's check out the cave. I'm here.
Have you ever been Vic Falls? Victoria Falls?
Yes, I've been.
What about Nyanga, Eastern Highlands?
Which one?
In Manika Land. There's some Eastern Highlands over there.
Ah, I will go there next.
A year next. Yes.
Yeah.
So you are going back when? Joburg? Tomorrow? When?
No.
you are still here in
I'm
Zimbabwe?
still in Zimbabwe.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
So madam, will you take this way?
Yeah.
Entrance to Sleeping
Pool cave.
It is called the Sleeping Pool Cave because the water is quiet and still.
Ah, okay.
And the water is blue because of unknown depth. The
Okay.
only known depth you know is 191 meters.
191 meters deep.
Going down.
Okay.
That is where the diver who goes as far as there,
Ah.
which is, yes, that was in 2013.
Okay.
Yes. So the water doesn't change temperature, it remains at 22 degrees Celsius. Whether you're in winter, whether you're in summer, it remains at 22 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Yes. So you come back, you use this pathway.
And then I go out that way. Okay.
Yes, it will lead you to dark caves, underground tunnel system, there's lights. When you're in the dark caves, when you reach a point where you see again the steps,
Yeah.
after passing those steps, you see again the blue waters when you'll be above and the blue waters will be below you. Yes, and there's a fence which shows that there's no way you can go.
Okay. Okay.
So,
I'll see you
on your
later
way
then.
out.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.
Ah, this is quite exciting. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see this color, but this is the craziest blue I have ever seen. And then I hear loads and loads of bats inside. What a place. So they have been down with divers, but they don't know actually how deep it is, because it's all limestone and there's an entire cave complex all down and it's all connected, so they don't actually know how big the complex is. Incredible. And I see some fish swimming there. Oh, it is so super clear. What an amazing place. Unbelievable. Really cool. And then up the top there, look, all the way on the top there, that's all trees growing. It's like a massive sinkhole all in this limestone. Incredible, really. Wow, what a place. I think this is actually also all droppings from bats. All this white stuff that you see, I have a feeling that's all from the bats that live in here. Now I'm gonna go up again and then I can go down another way as well, I think. Let's check that out. I just want to keep on looking back at that beautiful blue color. It's just, wow, so amazing. It's almost unnatural. Yet it is. Fantastic. Right, this is the second part. I'm now gonna go all the way down into that hole. This is called the Dark Cave. So I think that already gives away what it's all about. Okay, here I go. Definitely is dark in here. I am the only person here because it's almost closing time. So there's nobody else here but me. Ah, this is cool. Let's go this way. Ah, look at that. It's really quite high. Let me get some light from my phone. Because I can't see anything. Oh, this is dead end, I think. Or not. What's here? Yeah, no, this is, I think, dead end. Let's go back the other way. Exploring the dark caves of Zimbabwe. Amazing. Look at this. All this limestone. Beautiful. Ah, look, see? There is the blue water. So I am now literally inside. See, there is the blue water I saw from the other side. So before I was on that side and now I came inside here. Do you hear all the bats? It is full of bats. Alright, let's get back outside. Oof, it's hot in here. Made it back outside. I'm sweaty. It was really hot down there. Ooh, let me catch my breath. Anyway, I'm now going to go back to Savannah. Right back to the motel. And then yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. I had a pretty good day. Riding wise, it wasn't so interesting. I didn't expect that. That wasn't really like a route which I could make very interesting. I just wanted to see the cave here, which was definitely worth it. Wow, unbelievable. And yeah, I think from here on I'm going towards Harare and then towards the highlands, and then it should be, especially riding wise, should be really amazing. So I'm looking forward to that. But in the next ride I first want to go to Harare, get some logistical things sorted. As always, sometimes I need to be in a city and get some stuff organized. So that's what I will be doing in Harare, and then I'll continue on to the highlands. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Look, there's loads of baboons.